I'm Stephen Meyer. I work with Corbus LLC, and I'm the BPA specialist. Corbus is a business consultant, and what we do is we go into our client and we help them improve processes, look for ways to better manage their documents or order management processes. Before Esker, our team was receiving orders via fax or email, so they would literally have to print out a document or receive a document from the fax machine and go through it piece by piece. And literally we'd have team members holding rulers up to their paper to try to identify which numbers were where and try to keep things in a good line. It's a very time-consuming process. It slowed people down. They weren't able to get very many orders done in a day. Since our relationship with Esker began, Esker simply grabs the documents, reads them, and we have the team instead just validate the orders. So they're just making sure the data is accurate and good to go, and then one order done. Reviewing our order processing work and what we did for our client, we realized that we were doing a good job. We were maintaining. We were able to do what was needed, but we weren't improving anything. So we needed a way to improve the way we did our job. So we needed a way to speed it up, simplify it, help keep better track of what we were doing, manage our documents a little bit better. So we had to seek out a partner to make that happen. Some of the biggest improvements we've seen were time saving, huge time savings. The people that used to spend most of their day doing manual entry, we're talking it's like 75% of their day, now have that entire part freed up to do better customer service, and they're also freed up to do new tasks. So because their manual order entry piece is taken away, we've been able to improve other opportunities with our client. My staff would say that Esker has saved them a lot of time in their day-to-day. Formerly, they were spending the vast majority of everything they did printing a document, taking that document back to their desk, identifying different numbers on it, working back with the customer on it. But now, instead of doing that, they're able to spend more time working with the customers on new tasks, looking for improvements on other aspects of their desk. So they would say it's a huge benefit. My experience with them is that they're friendly, easy to work with. They know the language of the client and of Corbus. So we were able to speak to them as we would to anyone, whether it's the client, whether it's our coworkers. We could say, here's our problem, without trying to sugarcoat it or put it in any different words, and they knew exactly what we were talking about. Another thing they were great about is rolling with the punches. Our client had a lot of very specific requirements and a lot of very big concerns, and the Esker team was excellent at meeting all those head on and having good, smart solutions. Every step in the process has been smooth and easy, and I couldn't ask for a better relationship.